Welcome to another episode, should I say, of Mavreen Reviews, aka the reviewers.
Sorry to be missing in action, but busy. What can I say?
Anyways, not gonna waste time, as I've been told. So I finally took the plunge and I got myself the Amazon Fire TV stick. Okay, so this is gonna be like a super quick unboxing. I mean, this came through, I got super excited and I opened it up. So I can't really do the unboxing, but I'm gonna do like an edited version. Yeah, if you've noticed, my nails are bad again. Not that anybody cares. So one of the reasons that I went with the Amazon Fire Stick is A, because I love Amazon. I've got the Echo Dot, so it just suited my need more. Lastly, it is ideal for people who have Amazon Prime membership like me. And this is not even that expensive. I got it for £39. And compared to the new one, expensive is double the price. That supports basically the new 4K videos. But anywho, let's go. As you can see, these are all the apps, like some of the apps the Amazon Fire Stick is compatible with or has the apps for. Obviously, the Amazon Prime Video,
BBC, Sky News, music, yada, as you can all see.
Netflix, YouTube. One more thing, you can actually buy a Graham controller, play games.
It can't compete with your Xbox or your PlayStation.
It's just one of those added things. So we'll just quickly have a look of the box. Is the second generation stick, the new one, with the Alexa voice remote. I think it's like a gimmick, or I don't know if they were out of stock, but before Amazon would just do the stick. Anyway, so with this remote, the best thing is you can do voice search.
Goodbye to buffering. We'll have to see about that.
But I've heard good reviews myself. And yes, it's portable. You can carry it. Won't work in some countries. Pretty much works everywhere. And you can also personalize your recommendations.
And you can stream on the go.
Blah, blah, blah. Wi-Fi. And like I said, this is the 1080p.
And that is for a quad-core processor.
It's just telling you what's basically included. Two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, and an HDMI extender cable as well, which a lot of people don't know about, but we'll dig into that. So basically all you need towards the end is a high-speed internet, Wi-Fi, a HD TV with the HDMI import, which all of the new digital TVs have anyways. That's your little thingy. It's like fire. Let's open up. And it's not the best of unboxing. It was packed so nicely. It was so futuristic. It came like in a black case, and every place had it cubes interlocked. It was really nice. The packing was amazing. But anyway, so this is what comes in the box. So they give you like a voice something in different languages, and then the same thing again. So that's the quick guide. People like me, they don't have the instruction in the box. Yes, so that was my Mavreen moment. Okay, so that's the cable. It does come with the micro SD USB. Very nice. I totally copied the design. It's not even funny. Apple, but black. And this is your HDMI extender. So this is how an HDMI port looks like. It's basically the same thing. Basically an extender. And this was, you know what? I forgot the remote. Who said I forgot the remote? You guys just need to get your eyes checked. So this is the little baby. This is your Fire Stick. Does not come with any cover. It was just wrapped in a normal plastic. That is it. This says HDMI here. Very nice. Sleek. You guys see it. And there's your power cable. This goes there. Now that is the remote. I mean, for the price, it's amazing. Because you can use this with Alexa. You can use it in the different room. That is because this is connected behind your TV. You don't need to point this to, you can just call it a remote. It's more like a mic thing. So you just directly talk to it. So just quickly going to put the cells. You slide it up. Open it. Yes. And Amazon has sent you their own cute little cells from their basic collection. It's like Zara's basics. So these I'm going to chuck back in the box. And I'm going to go ahead, hook this up. Taking you guys through the setup. Come on, man. Gives it a thumbs up. Go through the setup. It comes in different languages. That's the remote. There we go. Type of English. But what are you doing? I will tell Mr. Ram. I have to connect to the internet. Just to show you guys, pretty much like PlayStation. So that's how it looks. So it's downloading. And now it's just coming back on. So that's the next step. Updating and installing. Once it updates, it turns off again. This is all a one-off. Yeah, hello. That's me in the reflection. So there you go, people. It does fire up. So that's your Amazon Fire Stick. The first time you ever switch it on,
First it's like installing, then it's like something else.
approximately 10 minutes to complete. Searching for networks. But it would be nice if Amazon would update this latest software and then send it. So I'm going to say yes. That's the other page.
While we
Pretty.
finish setting up your device, let's take a quick tour of your new Fire TV stick. Now you can watch your favourite shows and movies just by talking to your Alexa voice remote. Press and hold the microphone button and ask for a title, actor, director, or category, like this. Search for Happy Feet 2. Skip ahead 2 minutes, or catch up on your favourite show. Find Bosch. It's easy to browse through episodes and recommendations. Just use the outer ring to navigate and press the center button to make your selection. Or use your smartphone as a remote. Download the free Fire TV remote app from the App Store. Many of your favorite apps are available for Fire TV, including popular games like Crossy Road and Tetris. Now, with the power of Alexa, you can get info about sports, news, even the weather. Remember, press and hold the microphone button. What's the weather? Fire TV is even better with Amazon Prime. In addition to unlimited one-day delivery, your membership offers unlimited access to tens of thousands of popular movies and TV shows, and all your photos and videos with Prime Photos. And don't forget about music. Amazon Prime members can listen to over 1 million songs. Just ask for a specific artist, genre, or try a Prime playlist. Easy, right? Enjoy your new Fire TV stick from Amazon.
Okay, guys, I wasn't expecting that. They've explained everything. Unless you have a question, put it down in the description. And now you can select the apps you want to download. Still so used to pointing the remote that you don't need to. These are all the apps I chose. Okay, not surprised that Clarkson is there. Prime members even get cloud save your data. Your games as well. That's how you change it on the top. So that's home, my videos, the movies. And these are then all the apps. Go into settings. You've got network, display, and sound. Very user friendly. You need to get hang of the remote. Then you go the controller, and there you go. You got Bluetooth as well. Alexa. Ah, she is alive. Now she's gonna say something. Just ignore her.
I don't know.
Game control. Other Bluetooth device. Add my soundbar. There are a lot of settings. I guess the time is right. So they do have the option of subtitle. Look, as it says, you can speak to an agent. Hello, boys. I was watching on my mobile. Picked up. That's lovely. I don't have to find it again. And it's already in my watch list. Yeah, should I just show you guys the whole video, huh? No, I think I like my freedom. So the quality and clarity and everything is amazing. Normally it's really nice. It's worth the price. I wanted to quickly say one more thing. There's the Just Eat app. So you can actually even order food. Disney Life has a lot of nice children's cartoons. Look, you've got AccuWeather as well. Look, NASA, Pac-Man the game, Casino, Hey You, this is for Kardashian. It's really nice. I'm well impressed with the collection. They said Netflix is better. And that's the beauty that, look, they have Amazon videos because that's their home TV, and then they got Netflix as well. I don't know if you can see it. The resolution is amazing. Look, I think this is a perfect ending to say there's your Amazon Fire Stick. And when you want to switch it off, so I just press the home button on, and look, you can put it to sleep. For screen mirroring, go on to Amazon full side. You write AirPlay, I think UPnP. It's about like £2 or $2, depending on where you are. You just download that. Link it up with your account. Your Amazon account already picks it up, and then you can just mirror your iOS or Android devices. So very candid video, but I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to press subscribe and hit like. And you guys put no comments out there.
You think I'm yapping too much? You want me to make shorter videos? You want me to make longer videos? You want me to make funny videos? You want me to make music videos, makeup videos, vlogs?
What do you guys want? A little bit of love won't hurt. Anyways, cheers. Bye bye.